guys, today we're gonna make Neptune slime. You guys may or may have not heard of it, but we're gonna make Neptune slime. And since we're learning about solar systems in our classroom, I thought, because I got this one wrong, I put it in the wrong one. Sorry for the funny faces. Okay, so I was like, since this is the one I missed, I probably should start with this one first. And it's really squeezable, but if you stretch it, it's there's this weird stuff in it that I made. But also, since I'm very popular on YouTube, I am bringing out my new slime line. Woo! Yeah, slime line. That's what I call it. Yeah, the most cringiest names though. What's happening? My third person. Yeah, I am. Okay. Shout out to Kawaii Dino. Blake, I'm not gonna say her name. Sure, I'm gonna say it. Elena. She's the best friend ever. She's not here, but we are gonna do a collab video. We're gonna trade some slime and also make some slime and also eat some edible slime. All gonna be coming at you. And that's all it's gonna be in the video line. And her stuff, we're doing where we collab our both stuff together for our slime line. So yeah, awesome, right? Yeah. So I think what all you'll need is borax, hot water. I've heard of this thing. I ordered it off of online. I could make it, but not this. I made this, but I ordered. It's what is it? I would have it, but I made a giant one up, but I just made this small one to show you guys. It's called Planet Metallic Glitter, but you really can't see it. It's combined, but you will need metallic food coloring and regular blue and light blue food coloring and glitter. And I was just